For over 25 years, we have done more than just manufacture gloves. We have become a trusted specialist in personal protective equipment. This isn't just our journey, it's our identity. We are Glovetex Company Limited, founded in 2000 with a vision for innovation. We launched the Microtex brand, pioneering glove fibers that leave no lint or residue on workpieces, marking the beginning of a new era in industrial glove technology. Driven by real-world insight, we co-developed dog-bite-resistant arm guards with Chulalongkorn University's Faculty of Veterinary Science. We engineered anti-stab and cut-resistant vests for security teams, paving the way for military-grade ballistic gear. We designed fire-resistant suits and pilot uniforms that blend safety, flexibility, and comfort. We also launched a new line of cut and puncture-resistant gloves, free from fiberglass and stainless steel, becoming the first in Thailand to offer food-safe protective gloves of this kind. At Glovetex, environmental responsibility is at the heart of everything we do. Through our zero-waste policy, we recover and rewind rejected glove fibers for reuse in production. We pioneered Thailand's first knitted gloves made from recycled yarn certified by the Thailand Greenhouse Gas Management Organization (TGO). We are also transitioning to clean energy with solar panel installations and electric vehicle adoption already underway. This is how we are building a truly sustainable future for industry. Our commitment to excellence has earned us global certifications and top awards: ISO 9001, Thailand Trust Mark, Green Industry, SEDEX, the Prime Minister's Award, BIPO Business Awards, and the Good Governance Award. These honors reflect our dedication to ethics, transparency, and sustainable growth. For 25 years, Glovetex has led Thailand's safety glove industry. Every milestone we've achieved was built on your trust. Thank you for being part of our journey. Glovetex, your trusted partner in growth and a safer tomorrow.